Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. Today we are going to show you a product demo of an interactive touchscreen kiosk with a 22-inch multi-touch capacitive touchscreen display, full HD, along with Intel Core i5 CPU, uh, which is a Dell make. Uh, I'll show you the complete physical design of the kiosk first. As you can see, this kiosk is slim in size and quite robust in manufacturing. So this kiosk specifically is a customized kiosk for a third party. It has been customized as per their requirement, which includes custom branding, also some feature customizations uh, like dust free enclosure. So this enclosure specifically is designed to be dust free. In the regular standard kiosk which we manufacture, we provide speaker grills on all sides and heat vents, heat ducts, and other grills. So in this kiosk specifically, this design is meant to be dust free. So we have enclosed everything right from the speaker grills to the CPU cutout. I'll show you the CPU cutout mechanism in this kiosk. So this in our standard kiosk, this is our standard design. We install the CPU over here and expose the panel from here. So this, for this specific reason, we have created a hinge clamp, so which will expose the CPU only when required. So to switch on or switch off the CPU, you don't need to open any screws or open any cover. This is a swivelable cover hinge, and when you are not in use, you can just close it like this, so that there is no dust which will go inside the CPU. The complete front side and back side is sealed so that there is no dust. So normally we provide grills over here on the back side as well. For this specific design, there are no grills, and there is a tray in front where you can install your own keyboard or mouse. This is a general purpose tray, and keep your own keyboard or mouse here. And if it's a wired keyboard or mouse, you can insert the wire from here inside here directly to the CPU. And for power inlet and power cable and for LAN, we have a special strip at the bottom of the kiosk. You can see here, this is the inlet for LAN, this is the main power switch, this is 3-core wire which is a standard 3-meter size CPU cable. And I'll show you some other features, like this wheels are breakable. If you don't want the kiosk to be easily mobile, if you want to fix it in a location, just clamp on the brakes. So once you clamp on the wheel brakes, the kiosk is now fixed. You cannot move the kiosk even if you push it. Okay. So these are the features. I'll show you the CPU stats. So this is the 22-inch capacitive touchscreen. If you check out the system stats, we are using an Intel Core i5 6th generation CPU, 3.2 GHz with 8 GB installed RAM and a 64-bit operating system. You can check from this video. The touchscreen is enabled with 10 touch points, 10-point multi-touch. You can use all your 10 fingers at once in this kiosk. All the drivers and the software, everything is updated and there are a lot of open source software which is already installed in this kiosk. Comes pre-installed with these open software like antivirus or PDF readers, Google Chrome, Google Drive, Open Office, Google Docs, Zoom, VLC Media Player, WinRAR, any other. The most commonly used software all comes pre-installed. All the drivers, touchscreen drivers, calibration, audio drivers, LAN drivers, everything is pre-installed, and it comes with an inbuilt dual band Wi-Fi. As you can see, there are a lot of Wi-Fi networks over here, and this is a long range Wi-Fi network. It can cover up to 15 meters distance to the router, and so basically any of the modern routers, they provide two dual bandwidth routers. One is a 5 gigahertz and one is a 2.5 gigahertz. So this supports both of these bandwidths. Okay, so that's it for today, and thank you for watching, and hope you like this design, and keep subscribed to our channel for more such updates. Thank you.